Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an active Google account and that premium is on that account. Open the YouTube app or go to YouTube. Calm now, do not use private browsing. Tap the profile icon, choose Sign In, and pick the Google account tied to premium. If you must add an account, follow the on-screen prompts to enter email and password. Once signed in, make sure the profile picture matches the account that holds the subscription. Once you're signed in, go to Profile, then Purchases and Memberships to confirm YouTube Premium appears and shows active status. If you're on a family plan, make sure you accepted the family invite and are listed as a family member. Otherwise, you won't get benefits. Next, confirm payment details in Google account payments and subscriptions. Expired cards or regional mismatches can block premium. If status shows trial or expired, follow the prompts to renew or start a trial. These steps ensure features activate properly. Finish by testing core premium features. Play a video to check ad-free, enable background play, and try a download. If features don't appear, sign out and sign back in, then clear the app cache or update YouTube. This often resolves sync issues. Make sure you're using the same Google account and that your region supports premium. Mismatched regions or failed payments commonly cause problems. If none of that works, contact Google support with your account ID and recent payment receipt for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.